Hey, little lover, listen close. I've got a tale for you, and it's a rap met original about a girl you've been eyeing and what you need to do. Start with the carpals, they're the bones that guide your hand. Scaphoid, Lunate, Triquetrum, Pisiform, understand. Then the metacarpals, they're the ones that set the pace. Holding firm and steady, they give structure to the space. Phalanges are next, from proximal to distal. Middles in between, they help you make your move official. Feels too pretty, try to catch her, because Scaphoid and Lunate are the start of your pursuit. Triquetrum and Pisiform, they set the course. Trapezium, Trapezoid, Capitate, and Hamate, of course. She looks too pretty, try to catch her. Hold on tight, don't let her get away. As you reach out to her, let the Carpal Bones guide. Scaphoid, Lunate, Triquetrum, let them be your guide. Pisiform adds charm, so don't let her slip away. With Trapezium and Trapezoid, you're set for the play. Capitate's got the strength, Mythic's got the flair to help you win her heart, just show you care. With each bone in place and your heart on display, make your move now, don't let this chance decay. She looks too pretty, try to catch her, because Scaphoid and Lunate are the start of your pursuit. Triquetrum and Pisiform, they set the course. Trapezium, Trapezoid, Capitate, and Hamate, of course. She looks too pretty, try to catch her. Hold on tight, don't let her get away. Carpals, metacarpals, phalanges guide your way. Through every twist and turn, don't let the moment sway. She's the dream you've been reaching for. With each bone you'll find the core. She looks too pretty, try to catch her, because Scaphoid and Lunate are the start of your pursuit. Triquetrum and Pisiform, they set the course. Trapezium, Trapezoid, Capitate, and Hamate, of course. She looks too pretty, try to catch her. Hold on tight, don't let her get away. Set up and move, don't be shy. The bones of the hand, you'll touch the sky. She's waiting for you, take a chance today. Like the bones in your hand, you'll find your way. And if she says no, there's always realm that you can come back to. Too pretty, try to catch her, because Scaphoid and Lunate are the start of your pursuit. Triquetrum and Pisiform, they set the course. Trapezium, Trapezoid, Capitate, and Hamate, of course. She looks too pretty, try to catch her. Hold on tight, don't let her get away. Don't get up and move, don't be shy. With the bones of the hand, you'll touch the sky. She's waiting for you, take a chance today. Like the bones in your hand, you'll find your way. And if she says no, there's always a rep that you can come back to.